Good day. Here's the latest news for today. To clear out all misinformation pertaining to the COVID-19 vaccine in its corresponding vaccination process, Dr. Jerie Calingasan, Chief of the Provincial IATF, clearly said during the 45th virtual flag-raising ceremony of the provincial capital on Monday that a pre-vaccination awareness campaign will be conducted prior to the vaccination process. Appointment cards will be given after the pre-vaccination awareness campaign to individuals who have expressed their willingness to be vaccinated. Here's Jerie Calingasan for the full story.
The Provincial Health Office will conduct an awareness campaign to all capital employees to erase doubts, fears, and apprehensions about the COVID-19 vaccine. This is what Dr. Jerie Calingasan stressed during the 45th virtual flag-raising ceremony after learning of some individuals being misinformed about the vaccine set to arrive in the province.
Dr. Calingasan said that before people will proceed to the final steps of the vaccination process, it is already expected that they have already understood all of the conditions related to the vaccination. Since a vaccine for COVID-19 targets the actual population, a pre-listing is done to count each head before the Provincial Health Office creates a master list, which already includes the profiling data for the distribution of appointment cards. With this, it is clear that possessing the appointment card shows your willingness to be immunized with the COVID-19 vaccine. In relation to this, Chief Calingasan said that one of the benefits that people can get after being vaccinated is the stoppage of the virus transmission. This way, it will keep us from getting infected with the COVID-19. Also, more than the protection that we get, we can also protect the people around us. There may be bodily reactions after getting the vaccine, but these are just mild and basic body reactions and is normal for the body after recognizing the efficacy of the COVID-19 vaccine.
Governor Bambi Emano is working closely with the Provincial IATF to make sure that Misamisnons will get the protection that they need to avoid getting infected with the COVID-19 and the complications that it brings, because there is nothing more important than the lives of every person that he serves with so much heart. This is Jerie Calingasan, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental.
Thanks, Jerie. In another story, Dr. Jerie Calingasan stated in his update for COVID-19 that the province of Misamis Oriental is the first province in the whole country to conduct a COVID-19 vaccination simulation exercise. The cooperation of Provincial Interagency Task Force and Governor Bambi Emano testifies their sincerity and care for the Misamisnons. Here's Jane Salimbao for more details.
Yes, Queen. During the provincial capital's virtual flag-raising ceremony held on February 22, 2021, Dr. Jerie Calingasan, Chief of the Provincial Interagency Task Force, stated in his update for COVID-19 that the province of Misamis Oriental is the first province in the whole country to conduct a COVID-19 vaccination simulation exercise. Recently, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, headed by Governor Bambi Emano, and the Provincial Health Office, headed by Dr. Jerie Calingasan, initiated a simulation exercise which shows how the COVID-19 immunization process works. This activity shows the province's readiness and preparedness for the actual vaccination. The efforts of the Provincial Health Office and Provincial Interagency Task Force, together with the supervision of Governor Bambi Emano in this campaign, is great evidence of their deep concern and care for the people of Misamis Oriental. This is Jane Salimbao, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen?
Thanks, Jane. And that is the latest news for today. For more details, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I am Queen Exclamador. Good day.